Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. The leader of the main opposition in Zimbabwe, Nelson Chamisa, who had taken a break from politics, has confirmed the launch of a new political movement, but has stated that it does not have a name yet. Living supporters are waiting further details on its identity and direction.
I come to you at such a critical moment in the history of our country, possibly after 2 years, having left the dance floor, hoping that somebody else would occupy that dance floor. But I see there's none who has chosen to occupy the dance floor, and the dance floor is vacant. And I've seen it fit that I'm back on the floor to dance for my nation, to dance for the citizens, and to dance for the future. Our nation faces a pivotal moment and a critical juncture in the history of our country. The promise of independence has not yet translated into that rapid, accelerated transformation that we hoped to see. We have not seen transformation. That promise has been hijacked. We have not seen shared prosperity. We have not seen the dignity that had been promised to the citizens. We have not seen the sovereignty that the citizens were promised.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.